Are you looking for a profitable business idea in Nigeria or Africa? Making money with small chops business has been a lucrative venture that has been generating passive income. These delicious snacks are not only loved at parties and events, but are also incredibly easy to make. Learn the secret to creating delicious and profitable small chops that will attract customers, from choosing the right ingredients to mastering the perfect folding techniques to branding, marketing, selling your delicious small chops. Whether you are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, whether you are a stay-at-home mom or a student looking for a side hustle in this coming year, this video is for you. So watch till the end to learn the secret of making money. Do check out the description box for the full recipe. Let's begin by adding a cup of flour, salt, and then we begin to mix. I welcome everyone back to my channel, and thanks for stopping by here. Kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let us have fun together. Please watch till the end for the full recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more healthy, active, delicious recipe ideas. Then you begin to add water bit by bit. Do not make the dough too soft and not too hard. It shouldn't be too sticky. In order not to make this video too long, I will be dividing them into 2 to 3 videos, so do watch out for the rest of the videos. But in this video, we will make samosa from scratch to the end with the most easy samosa sheets, very easy, and with the most affordable filling. For full recipe, once again, do check out our description box below. Here are some tips and strategies to promote your small chop business if you want to start up a business with it. First, it is essential to master the art of making delicious samosas. Experiment with different fillings, vegetables, chicken or beef to find the perfect combination that will keep your customers coming back for more. So allow the dough to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then you will start kneading once again before we start forming our sheet. Roll out like this to have a perfect round shape. You don't need a huge budget to get started. With just a few ingredients, you can wipe up your delicious samosa. Find local suppliers for fresh produce and quality spices. This ensures that your samosas are top notch. After rolling, then you cut it out into parts. Here I cut it out into 8 equal parts. If you are starting up a business with it, then another thing you want to do is to focus on your branding. Create an eye-catching logo and packaging that reflects the quality and flavor of your samosa. A strong brand identity will help you stand out in the market. So here you continue to roll out in balls just like that. Now we start flattening it out. It might be sticky. That is when you make use of your flour. After flattening each dough out, then you can go ahead with this coming step. Don't layer too much so as to be easy to remove after undergoing the heat. 4 is okay at a row. Here is another strategy. Marketing is key. Make use of social media platforms to showcase your mouth-watering samosa. Share photos, customers' feedback, and even behind-the-scenes video of your cooking process. Engaging with your audience will help you build a loyal customer base. Then this is the next step. Just follow carefully. This is my favorite method for making samosa wrap. It is super easy for me, although there is the other method, but this does it for me most. Heat your pan under low heat. Then you can spread your sheet in like that. Ensure you reduce the heat to the lowest, and when it starts to form a bubble, then you flip over to the other side just like that. You can see the bubble. Now I will flip it to the other side. Once the other side started forming bubble as well, then it is ready. Allow the wrap to cool down a little before you start separating them. And you need to be gentle while separating them because it can easily tear. So you have to be careful while doing this so as not to have hole or tear all of a sudden. You can see mine have a little bit of hole. I can still do something with it. I can still wrap it with my filling. Just make sure you remove the wrap, separate them carefully. It is time to shape our samosa wrap. There are 2 or more ways to do this. I will be using one way here. Kindly check out our YouTube short on how to make the samosa pockets. That is the second way you can form your samosa wrap. There are other ways to it as well, but this is one of it here. I'm going to drop the link in the description box below. There you can find how to make the samosa pocket. It is time to make our samosa filling. That is olive oil. Then I make use of a little bit of coconut oil, although it is optional. That is onions, ginger, garlic, and any other spices. Just use them in moderation. pepper, red bell pepper. Just go in with a little. That is green peas. If you have any other veggies in your freezer, just go in with it in moderation. And that is the mix or your chop. You can make your own mixing it yourself. Just blend your meat or you chop it. Then you drop it inside the oil, fry with some seasoning and salt, going with your carrots. You will not cook this for too long because of our veggies. We don't want them to go soft. Before we continue, you can get permanent access to our recipe cookbook and other ebook on easy to make homemade recipes from your hair to your skin, food, baking, and so on, and making money tips. Just check out the description box below to see how you can access them today. Stir fry under low heat because we don't want our veggies to become soft. Lastly, we go in with spring onions and we stir. Look at that yummy, mouth-watering samosa filling. Now it is time to form our samosa wrap. If you want to commercialize it, consider starting small, perhaps with a home kitchen setup before investing in larger equipment as your business grows. Let's repeat this process one more time for full understanding. And there it is all ready to be fried. You can see the one at the front in the middle part, that is the samosa pocket. So don't forget to check out our YouTube shorts. I'll drop the link in the description box again for full details. Now it is ready to be fried. Also, always prioritize customer feedback. Listen to what they love and what could be improved. This will help you refine your offering and build a loyal customer base. Without frying it, you can store your small chops in a container like that. You cover tightly and then you refrigerate. This can stay more than a week or 2 weeks. If there is constant light, then you can fry it whenever you like or whenever customers order for it. And then you fry it when you're ready to supply or when you're ready to consume. Now let us fry. Heat your oil a little bit. Don't forget, fry this under low heat. You don't want it to get burnt easily. Also, don't forget about catering. Offer your samosas for events, corporate gatherings, and parties. This will help you get your name out there, trust me. Once it is golden brown, you bring it out and drain it immediately. So, are you ready to turn your passion for cooking into cash? Let us know in the comment section below. With creativity and hard work, you can turn your passion into profit. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video and you find it helpful, and if you want more tips on making money, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also check out our other video for more small chops recipes like spring onion, money bag, and so on.